Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to get your 5K footage up to 8K. And I'll be showing you this today on Premiere Pro. Let's open up a project. So first thing you're going to want to do is import your footage. Alright, so I have my footage here. I'm going to drag it over to my timeline. And when I go up to my sequence settings, where's that? It's going to be sequence settings. You can see that this footage is at 5K, 5312 by 2988. So how am I going to make this footage 8K? Well, it's really easy. I'm just going to change these numbers. And you should change those numbers to 7680 by 4320. That will snap it back to 16:9. Press OK. It's going to give you a warning that it's going to change your sequence settings. And as you can see, my footage is now on an 8K template. So I just go and grab the clip, go up to my effect controls, and increase the scale of the video up from 100%, like that. And then I go File, Export, Export Media. All right, and now I have a preset setting 8K right here. As you can see, my source is 7680 by 4320, and my output is going to be 7680 by 4320. And that's how I get my footage rendered up to 8K from 5K.